Hi, I'm Tim Bartz, Internet Sales Manager here at McArthur Ford in Salina, Kansas, where you can find some of your updated Bronco news and information. And I wanted to publish this video real quick. Tomorrow, the build and price is going to go live on Ford's website for the Bronco 2-door and 4-door. So I kind of want to help out customers, especially if you haven't had a chance to do this before. Ford has actually had build and price on their website for several years. A lot of times I've used some of their screenshot and information for some of my videos in the past on some of our walkarounds on vehicles that we didn't have some certain packages on. And so I kind of want to go through with you tonight so you have a good idea what it's going to look like and how it's going to work. So tomorrow you can get in there and work it real smooth and get all the information you want to and not have to try to figure out how the system works. So we're going to go through this. Now you can do this on either your laptop or you can do it on your computer. Before we get into that, also don't forget to give a little plug here for our YouTube channel. If you haven't subscribed to our YouTube channel, hit that red subscribe button down below so you can get subscribed to the channel. Don't forget to hit that notification bell. You get notified the next time we have another video uploaded to our YouTube channel. We have a lot of Bronco information and videos, so if you haven't seen any of those before, check out our Bronco playlist. And we do actually have some of the breakdown of some of the information, and we'll probably kind of in a sense redoing that once the build and price goes live and we actually have prices. We have information on exactly if there's going to be standalone options, if they're all going to be in packages, how it's going to be taken care of for each of the different trims. So be looking for those videos. That's why you want to make sure you have your notifications turned on to these, because we're very proud that we can do a lot of these complete guide videos for walkarounds on our different vehicles. Been doing it for years. People really love those because we don't leave anything out. So I'm going to give you all the information. They may be a little bit long, but that's why we use timestamps down in the description of those videos. Now, I do want to show you this. Now, you can either do this on a desktop computer, whether it be a desktop, laptop, whatever it might be, if you have one of those. Now, some households anymore, you just have phones or tablets to use, and you can do it on your phone as well. If you go to Ford.com on either one of those, kind of run through how maybe some of the different look you're gonna have, just to make it easier if you're on a phone or a mobile phone device, what to be looking for. So on the computer, when you go to Ford.com, you're gonna go over to Vehicles, and then crossovers are gonna come up already highlighted, and you're gonna go to Bronco. But in this example, we're gonna use Bronco Sport because I wanna show you, because Bronco Sport already has their build and price up and people are already ordering Bronco Sports. So I'm gonna show you from that. So we're gonna click on Bronco Sport. Now on the mobile device, you're gonna hit the three lines that are up there at the top corner. So you're gonna click on that, and then you're gonna click on SUVs and crossovers. And then they're gonna drop down below there, and then you would hit Bronco at that point. Again, in this example, we're gonna hit Bronco Sport so you have a good idea. So once you go in there, there should be a button, a blue button that says Build and Price. We're gonna click on that for, of course, the Bronco Sport. On the mobile phone, it's right in the middle. So we're gonna click on that so you have a good idea of where that's at. And when you come up, probably Bronco's gonna be the same way. You're gonna choose your model. So base, Big Bend, Outer Banks, Badlands. Of course, you'll have Black Diamond and Wild Track as an option, and even First Edition. It's showing you here for your vehicle. So if you have a First Edition, lucky enough to get one of those, you're going to be able to select those. Now, I'm assuming it's going to look real similar to the Bronco Sport. For the Bronco, you probably have to select either 2-door or 4-door before you go into the configure. At that point, you can click View Details. We'll show you the standard equipment. When you go to start your build, they're not going to go through what's standard on the base trim, each of the different trims, and what equipment is going to include. They're just going to show you what other options you have, what's included in some of those optional packages, as well as what the prices for those. So, but by click on the View Details, you can see what's the standard equipment on those. And actually, you can check out my videos. I actually went through that on the different trims that we did. So check those videos out if you want information on that. By now, you've probably already selected your model. If you've done your research, you know what model you want. But we're going to go ahead and just start our build. So we're going to just click on the Big Bend just as an example. So on the desktop, there's a Start Your Build, and then it looks just like it on the mobile, but instead you're going to have to scroll a little bit more. So we're going to click the Start Your Build there. Now, so on mobile device, you actually will see you scroll down more to get the information, and so we're looking at exterior, and then we're going to use the arrows at the top up there to click over to interior, and then go to powertrain and packages, and then accessories. So you're going to go use those arrows up there to move left and right through those, where on the desktop it's scrolling, you're just scrolling down. You can click on the little tabs at the top which say exterior, interior, powertrains and packages, similar to what you're seeing up here. But it looks like too, oh, it actually is just the same. If you want to scroll down, you can do that on the mobile device as well. And you'll notice that the image on the mobile phone stays up there, so you can see as you change things how it changes the look of the vehicle. So, you know, as we pick our colors here, you can be able to see your colors, how it's going to change the look on the screen for that particular vehicle. And you know, like in this case, it has two different wheel options, your standard wheel and your optional wheel, as well as tires. So when you make those changes, it'll change the look even on the mobile device. So if, you know, if we click on that other wheel option, you're going to see how that will change the look on the mobile device, as well as when we do that on the desktop version as well. So you can see how that changes. So you're going to want to go in there and do that. Now, as you notice, as you do that, you'll notice at the top the payment will change and vary based on that information. And if we scroll clear down the bottom, you'll see how it adjusts the price altogether. But on the and then, so they're real similar whether you're on a mobile phone or a desktop. Ford's done a good job of making it look pretty similar whether you're looking at either one. On how that's going to look, but it does show you those prices for the different packages as you're going through there. So when you're building out your vehicle, it's really pretty simple. You go down through these options. We talk about exterior options and what you can put on it. Like on this Bronco Sport, you can add splash guards, you can add a different fender flare kit. Actually, now they have images. When I did my videos on the Bronco Sport, they did not have images of those fender flare kits, which is interesting. But as a side note, but then when you change all these, then you know all that information right there, and so you can see the prices and how it changes. And when you add those different things, it'll change the look of the vehicle too. So basically, you just go down there and scroll through and see if you want certain things. When you get down to like some of this information, you can click that little eye, and when you click on that, it actually brings up and tells you what's included. Like in this case, cargo mat. It's just the cargo mat because it's a standalone option, and tells you the price of that, and it tells you what models they're available on. But when you go down to different packages down here, if we keep scrolling down, it gives you some information on the packages. So you'll want to look at those packages. You want to see what's included in those. In this case, you know, it's showing this for the Bronco Sport. They actually have a package for each model. So this one's called the Big Ben package. It shows you what your basic equipment is included, but down below you have a Big Ben package, and when you click details, then it pulls up and tells you some of the equipment that's included in that. Like in this case, it's your power seat, your heated front seats, moonroof, reverse sensing, leather wrap steering wheel, and the charging pad for $15.95. And then to just add that, you would just click that add button. At that point, you can do it right there on that screen, or you can go ahead and just check the add down there as well. So once you add the different options you want, the different packages you want, as you keep scrolling down, you'll see it keeps changing that payment right there. But then you can keep scrolling down, and you will get to a summary down there that'll kind of break it down. What color you choose for the outside, your interior color, your different exterior optional equipment. Interior optional equipment, you know, if there's an option for powertrain, whether you want manual or automatic, it's going to show you those price adjustments, and then what packages you chose, and then it'll show you that breakdown from MSRP and such. Especially dealers that are doing MSRP, you're going to know right off the bat what your price is going to be right there as well. And then you can even go to payment calculator, click on that little calculator, and you can actually calculate your payments. So if you know maybe what kind of interest rate you think you can get, what kind of term you want, you can go ahead and try to figure that out without no trade-in. Or if you know what your trade-in is and what you owe on it, or what you think you're going to owe on it when the Bronco comes in, you can kind of figure that and put those figures in there too. So it is a real pretty simple website to figure out. So it's real nice and easy. Ford's had these build and price out for a while. It's real fun to go in there, configure things, see how it changes the look of the vehicle and everything. But again, this is going to be live on Friday, October 23rd. So it's going to be live, it's going to be going, and so you can go in there and configure and figure out what's going on. If you have your reservation through McArthur, our Bronco specialists are going to be ready and available for any questions, so definitely make sure you reach out to them They can answer any questions you might have. Feel free to reach out to me. I'm going to make myself available on Friday, as well as Saturday. We'll be here at the dealership. I'll be available for those calls. I'll be answering those calls. May need to leave a message. I'll call you back, but we'll answer any questions you might have when it comes to build and price. I know this is new for a lot of you out there, but as a dealership, we've been doing this for years, ordering vehicles on this way. So we know how to order the vehicles, and this may be new to you, but let us help you out with this and make this an easy and smooth process for you. Have some fun with it, see how it changes things, see how it affects the prices for you. But of course, if you have any questions, that's what we're here for. If you have your reservation through another Ford dealer, you can switch that reservation over to Law McArthur. I think you have till, at one point they said till the end of October. Now I think they've moved it to the end of December, so plenty of time to switch over if you want to use us as your referring dealer. We do on our website have a separate, we have a place you can go to on our website to do the reservation, but there is an 800 number you would want to call. So reach out to us. We can give you that number. In fact, I'm going to leave that number down in the description for you. So if you want to switch over your reservation, you call the 800 number and you can switch it over to Law McArthur Ford and have your Bronco reserved here. And we do free shipping. So if you want to have it delivered, we have no ADM, so we will not go above MSRP, and we'll do free shipping. We do ask usually that you finance a vehicle with us for a few months, and we can ship it to you within, we usually within the United States, but we usually say up to $1,000, and so we'll provide that, and we're throwing in a free Bronco jacket, so for everybody, and we got jackets shipping out to current people that have reservations now. So definitely check that out. You can go to our Bronco page that we have. It has some information in there as well, and we'll have the link, of course, to the build and price on there on Friday as well. So we're really looking forward to this. So we're here for you. If you have any questions, concerns, be looking for our videos that we're going to break down some of the different packages cost-wise. We'll even kind of evaluate whether we think it's a good deal or not for you in those videos. So be looking for those videos this weekend. We're going to work really hard to try to pump those videos out for each of the different models, or what Ford sometimes calls a trim. So be looking for those videos if you want a little more information, a little more help with it, and don't forget to always reach out to us. We're here for you to help you out with your Bronco needs. So again, thanks for watching this video. Hope you like it. If you did, smash that like button. Put your comments down below if you have any questions we can answer online. Don't forget, you can always call us. We have people available to help you out. Don't forget to share this video out to anybody else out there in the Bronco world that's interested in Broncos, has a Bronco reservation. If you know somebody else, share this video out to them if you think they might need some help with it. And don't forget, subscribe to the YouTube channel. Hit that red subscribe button down there so you can get subscribed over to it. Hit the notification bell so you can get notified when we have those videos go live this weekend and next week for those different models for the build and price configures. So real excited about it. Hope you're excited too, and hope you have a great day and enjoy messing around. I'd go in and probably in the Bronco Sport mess around and see, so you know how to use it. So when a Bronco goes live, you can go in there and do that. You will be, I think they're going to open up the orders in December, so you have plenty of time to look at that. So it's not something that has to be done this weekend, but I know a lot of people are excited, looking forward to the different colors and different options and what it's going to look like on the vehicle, and knowing exactly what color options you're going to have on like first edition and stuff like that, if they're going to stay with those. So hopefully this helps you out in your research and when you're configuring your vehicle using the build and price on Ford's website. So thanks for watching this video. Till the next one, we'll see you later.